Hello, my friends! Welcome to the Magical CVC Forest. One day, Tom went outside in the Magical CVC Forest. He found an O and a G. Together they make Og. Then he found the letter D. The D made the D sound. He put it together with the Og, and he got a dog. As soon as Tom read the word dog, a cute dog appeared in his arms. Tom was so excited. Then Meha went into the forest. She found the letters E and N, making N. Then she found the letter H. She put them together and she got the word hen. As soon as she read the word hen, a cute hen appeared in her arms. Adam went to the forest and found the letter U, and G, G. He put them together and got Ugg. Then he found the letter B, B. He put all the letters together and got the word bug. As soon as he read the word bug, a cute little ladybug appeared in his hands. When Tala went into the forest, she found the letters A, and T, T. She put them together to get at. Then she found the letter C, K. She put all three letters together and got cat. As soon as she read the word cat, a cute little cat appeared in her arms. Wow! The Magic CVC Forest is amazing!